What is a really good, y'all? It is your favorite girl, Crystal here, and we are what? Back with yet another video. What you gonna do? Ah, Let me stop playing. Y'all, how y'all doing? Let me know. Comment down below. Because, I mean, we share nothing but love here. To the OGs that have been subscribed from day one. I see you, fam. I see you, player. From the Himalaya, I see you. I thank y'all for the love so much. For my new passerbyers, to my new subbies, welcome y'all. And for the ones that have not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscription button down below. Also, do yourself a favor, hit the notification bell as well, because we don't want to miss future uploads from your girl, right? We don't want to do that. We do nothing but share love here. Now, I'm going to be done with all this talking so we can get up into this video. If y'all want to continue to see how I got this look, or how I'm going to achieve my look, basically, keep on watching. Alright, y'all, we just going to start off with this Wanderer's Glow. Yeah, illuminating face oil. Just throw a little bit here. I already moisturize my face, so yeah, we want to look cute. Never mind, we're going straight to the living room to watch a movie, fill our face and stuff. Right, so while we letting this dry a little bit, we're gonna get into this Sacha mattifying primer. Put this all over your girl face because I am a oily bitch. We don't want no oils seeping through. Sorry, boo-boo. I'm gonna just rub this in. I hate to put on my makeup and I'm seeing tons of oil just popping up on my face. The sun is super hot these days, so I got to do everything that I need to do in order to avoid looking like a grease ball, basically. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take my Airspun powder, translucent, and I am going to put this on my face to help absorb that oil we was just talking about. I am super oily, especially in my T-zone area. So I'm gonna pack on that powder. So we just remove the excess. So now that we got rid of all the excess powder, I'm gonna try to use my crayon case, spoolie, and little angle brush with my Juvia's for, yeah, I know this is eyeliner, but I use it to do my brows, so don't judge me. We're gonna get our little trusty dusty Fenty mirror. We're gonna get in. So we're gonna make an attempt. We gotta use light strokes because this is dark as hell. And I do not start from the beginning of my brow at all. I don't like the box brow look. So I use light strokes and I just kind of outline the top and the bottom, basically, and then I fill in the rest. There's really no need for me to go back into the pot of eyeliner. I just use whatever excess is on the brush because we don't really want our eyebrows to look super dark. And now we can fill in the front. Natural brow look. Just brush it in. What y'all think? I'm gonna do the next one and I'm gonna be right back. Today is definitely gonna be a great day. My brows actually look related, and this is without concealer. Yeah, today gonna be a good day. All right, y'all. Now that I am done with these brows, what I am going to do is head on in with my, hope y'all can see this, Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Mocha, or 360 if y'all really want to use numbers. Now when I am putting on my foundation, I like to apply it directly to my face. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and I'm gonna blend it out. I am using my damp Eco Tools Beauty Blender to blend this out. When I talk and blend under my neck, I think I sound like Shanae. Oh my god! Stupid. Oh god, y'all forgive me. I ain't had my coffee as yet. Blend, 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 blend. It's literally the name of the game. Now that we are nicely blended out, looking flawless, I'm gonna use my Louise base to highlight. Don't ask me why, I just like it. I don't use too much because it is really light. So what I do is just dab a little bit. Oh god, I said dab. In this area here. And then when I blend, I drag the inks brush that I use. Hopefully you all can see the number. It is RT402. So we are going to blend this out. Now when I'm blending out my concealer, what I like to do is spray my brush or beauty blender, whichever one I'm using at that point, just before I start blending it out. I would either spritz it with some water or a setting spray. See how we blend and then we drag outward. So we don't have that crazy bright look under our eyes. I normally like to leave my under eye to blend last. So I don't really know why I blended this one out. But whatever, we're gonna just roll with it. What concealers do you all prefer to conceal with? Comment down below and let me know what do you think is your, well, what's your favorite concealer to cover up these eye bags with. Right, so now that we are super duper blended and we're looking decent, we gonna set this bitch. I'm going to use my everyday, all day setting powder, Sacha Buttercup. Ooh, can y'all see that? The bottom of it is a little bit worn out because get into, ooh, sorry, like so. Definitely need to get my smile lines. So y'all can, as y'all can tell, I smile a lot, right? Yeah. Oh my God, I'm terrible at keeping a straight face for too long. So, natural contour, face set in the highlighted areas. I do not like to bake. For some weird reason, when I do bake, I realize I get like a flashback kind of look. Eh. So what I am going to do to set the rest of my face is grab my crayon case fluffy brush. Y'all can see that. Nice and fluffy. These brushes are so soft. And ooh, up close and personal, y'all, my Becca powder. Yeah, y'all can see the back. This is basically what it looks like. Yeah. And we gonna dust the rest of our face and get this excess powder off so we don't look crazy like I already am looking. We're gonna get a nice little brush, another one of my crayon case brushes, y'all. And I'm gonna use a little bit, when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit of brown eyeshadow from my Butter London, yeah, Butter London eyeshadow palettes. That brown, as I would show you right here, is super pigmented. So I'm just gonna use a little tidbit to kind of chisel my nose a little bit. Don't judge me. I'm running low on makeup. I mean, who does that, right? And to avoid that crazy look, I'm just going to go back in with this Luxie brush just to blend it out a little. So now we are going to put some mascara on the lips. We are going to use Tarte's Big Ego mascara. That's what the brush looks like. Yeah, we're gonna put some of that on our lashes, make them pop, if you will. Because as you can see, I really was not blessed with long, luscious lashes. I missed that line when God was giving out lashes. But we work with what we got. Ain't nobody mad. We still cute or whatever. Ow. What the hell? I mean, I'm complaining about lashes, but I don't want to lose my sight, boo. Alright, we're cute or whatever with the lashes and the mascara. But now that we got mascara on our lashes, I think we're gonna put on some lashes. So we're gonna use these. Look at me, y'all. Hey. I like these lashes. They're cute. Yeah. We're gonna let this dry. Put on some highlighter on the little cheekbones and some gloss, and I'll be right back. All right, my beautiful people, we cute or whatever. I mean, who would not want to Netflix and chill with us? Who wouldn't? Be cute. This gloss though, I love it. And it tastes like, it tastes fruity. That's, yeah. Appreciation for the face. All right, y'all, I thank you all so much for sticking through this crazy all over the place video. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. Love y'all to death. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, follow me on my social media, Instagram, Snapchat. I will link everything down below. So, yeah, see you guys soon. Mwah.